Sorry guys, sorry. Oh my gosh, this camera won't stand. Okay, I'm gonna put this down there. So what's up guys? Today I am getting this black play button or something, like black play button for 5 subscribers, dude. 100% real. Here it is right here. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. On the back it says, YouTube, congratulations of hitting 5 subscribers. Okay. Yeah, I'm not showing you the back because it's like crappy on the back. Not very good. This is the black play button. 100% real black play button. Seriously. This is the black play button. I'm the only one who has the black play button. Yeah. It got this weird texture. It is made out of coal, so yeah, just cool. Just really cool to have one of these now. Like, sorry, Magmatic. Well, they send me this. Yeah, they send me this for like 5 subscribers or something. So they send me this for 5 subscribers. Magmatic, if you didn't get this yet, I don't know yet. Just seriously. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Subscribe so I can get the silver play button.